Think of a room where world's richest democracies gathered together to discuss on future trade, technology, energy, and global security. For decades, that rooms belonged to G7. The United States, the United Kingdom, Germany, France, Japan, Italy, and Canada. The rules of the global economy were often discussed among themselves. Now imagine a country that isn't a member yet received invitations year after year. A country whose voice is increasingly heard during discussion on climate change, future technology, supply chain, and geopolitical conflict. The country is India. The question is no longer why India is repeatedly invited to the G7. The real question is, can major global challenges be solved without involvement of India? This year G7 summit became important topic for discussion because India has been invited as a guest by the French President Emmanuel Macron to attend the G7 summit, which is scheduled to be held from June 15 to 17 in France. India's repeated invitation reflects the New Delhi's growing economic, strategic, and diplomatic significance on the global stage. To understand India's growing importance, we first need to understand what G7 is and why it matters. G7 was created in 1975 on the recommendation of France to deal with the crisis after the first oil shock. Its members include the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, and Japan. Although it is not a formal international organization, the G7 remains one of the most influential platforms for discussing global economic governance, future technology, and climate change. Together, G7 countries account for 44% of world GDP and 10% of world total population. However, the world of 2026 is very different because of shifting economic power in Asia, and emerging economies are playing a larger role in shaping global outcomes. This is where India comes in picture. India is among one of the fastest growing economy in the world. It has emerged as a major manufacturing destination, digital innovation hub, and one of the largest consumer market globally. For G7 nations seeking to diversify supply chain and reducing its dependence on any single country, India offers an attractive alternate. Whether it is semiconductor, pharmaceuticals, renewable energy, India is becoming important economic partner for G7 countries. As India's economic influence is growing, its voice in global decision-making forum is increasingly heard. One of India's biggest diplomatic advantages is its ability to engage with developed and developing nations. Over the past few years, India has actively positioned itself as a representative of Global South, a group that includes many countries in Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Issues of Global South such as food security, climate financing, and development assistance are central concerns for these nations. India served as a bridge between developed and developing countries, helping bring global South concern into major global discussion forum. The Indo-Pacific has become one of the center of strategic competition in 21st century. India occupies a crucial geographic position for because of that, for many G7 nations, cooperation with India is essential for maintaining stability, securing trade routes, and promoting rule-based international order in the region. The next global contest is not only about military power or trade, it is also about technology. Artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, digital public infrastructure, and critical technologies are becoming key areas of international cooperation. India's success with digital platform and its larger technology workforce make it an important player in future technology. As G7 seek trusted partners in the digital age, India appears as a perfect partner for the G7 nation. No meaningful climate change can succeed without the participation of India. India is one of the largest energy consumer and a major player in renewable energy. The transition to cleaner energy, financing green technology, and achieving climate goals all requires India's active participation. Without India's participation, this issue cannot be addressed completely. Does this mean India will join the G7? This is perhaps the most frequently asked question in the recent time. At present, there is no indication that the G7 will become G8 or G9 with including India as a permanent member. However, it became clear that India is indispensable to many of G7 conversations. Repeated invitations suggest that G7 recognizes India's growing influence. In today's in today's global challenge such as climate change, future technology like artificial intelligence and geopolitical stability cannot be secure without the active participation of India. In that sense, influence may matter more than permanent membership.